McLaren. I don't think I've seen a McLaren in real life before. McLaren 570. I think it could do with a clean. Look at that interior. It's like a mustardy brown and black. Definitely never seen one of these in real life before. Is that a grill? Yeah, that's actually a grill. So when it rains, so there's engines in there. The engine's in there. When it rains, the rain can literally fall in on the engine and the exhaust system. So it seems a bit of a strange design, to be fair. But am I to judge? I'm not a McLaren multi-million-pound company making some of the best cars on earth, so I don't know. It just seems a bit strange, to be fair, but there we go. Could definitely do with a clean. What we got here? Classic Porsche. Wow, probably worth more than some of the new ones, eh? Wow. Nice colour, isn't it? Like a purpley type colour. The interior. That's a bit dated. Oh, it's left-hand drive. For Ginetta. That's a race group, Ginetta, I think. Look at the pea shooter exhaust. Right? A bit different to the exhaust now. That's why they were considered the best of the best at the time. And look at the exhaust now. Eh? How times have changed, how cars have developed. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Audi R8. Looks like convertible. Oh, look at the gear shift. I do like that. That looks pretty cool. You never get in the wrong gear. Well, you suppose you're not supposed to with a gear shift like that. Yeah. So, what's going on with my camera? I suppose you're not supposed to get it wrong. Alright, probably petrol kit. What we got here? M666. It's a devil. Is it a devil racer, devil car, devil driver? It's quite a nice colour, isn't it? Does this one belong to Aston Martin? Of course an Aston Martin belongs to Aston Martin. Interior. Aston Martin Vanquish. Yeah. Pretty nice car, eh? The engine's in the front or back of these? I really don't know. So that could be an engine with these then grills. Another Porsche. Hey, hold on. Please. I'm saying RPT, RPR. Or is that just coincidence? Yeah, look at the interior. 911 turbo. That one's a 911. Oh, that one's a convertible. This one's a hardtop. So if you have the convertible, you get different exhaust system to the hardtop, but the car's pretty much the same. Okay. Slightly different, isn't it? Different windows and that. Is that air vents or is that just for show? Oh, this one must belong to Johnny now. Eh? Johnny be good or be bad. Johnny be good. It's a long bonnet, that is. It's a very long bonnet. So, wow, 6.3. I wonder how often you have to put petrol on that. So, oh, Mark Jones, Mercedes SLS Roadster. So, Johnny's car was brought into the paddocks by Mark Jones. So it's probably Mark Jones's car, and he just likes the name Johnny. I don't know. Unless it says something else. SLS AMG. So, it's like soft top. Is it only a two-seater? It is, it's only a two-seater. So all that room to get a 6.3 engine in it, it's taken up, it's made it only a two-seater. Oh man, I'm gonna look under that bonnet of that engine. 6.3. Wow. That's even like a V12 or something. So we got Lotus. I haven't seen many Lotuses. Seen McLarens, Mercedes, Porsches, Ferraris, but not many Lotus. Well, I do like that brand interior. It's different. Oh, it's on the door cards as well. Little pop-up computer there. Looks like that goes into the dash. Quite a small. What's that? Is that EMIRA first edition or MIRA? Mira first edition. I think that's what it is. I used to be so clued up on cars once upon a time, but just lost my way with them. There's so many different ones, different models, everything now. I've totally lost my way. Oh, you can see the engine there, look, the Lotus engine. I bet that sounds amazing when it's behind your head and you're driving it. It's actually enough if you looked at the paddock thing, it's somebody called Mark Jones. Is it? Because I said that must be Johnny's car and that sort of thing. Yes, that's it, yes. Yes, so somebody just point out now that it's Jones, Mark Jones, Johnny. JES. Somebody cleared that up for us, it's not Johnny, that's why it's Mark Jones. Mark Jones, yes, that makes sense now. Yeah, that's the engine of the Lotus. Yeah. Oh, look at them wings. Wow, you never get to look at these close up very often, do you? Wow. And they're being transported around by a buggy. How amazing is that? I always wondered how they clip on so quick. It's only little slots and slide in and it's clipped down. Wow. So there we got somebody's toy. 911 toy. So there's another Porsche 911. Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Somebody's toy. Look at that rear wing, eh? And look at the hydraulics on there. Look at the hydraulics. So at a certain speed that adjusts to keep the car, keep the downforce on the car, keep it fixed to the road basically. So, yeah, somebody's definitely showing off their toy, aren't they? Oh, look at that black and yellow interior, that's amazing, I like that. Don't know if you'll be able to see that on camera. Oh, I said a yellow car, not a black and yellow interior, that was nice. Is it that coming up in your rear view mirror? Toy! It's actually a registration number. I don't think it really is, Ian Fraser. And what we got here? A 5-door Ferrari? Or at least a 4-door, maybe a 5-door. Depends if the seats come down or not. You can't really, it's that dark, you can't tell. I tell you what, it looks like there's a lot of room in there though. Wow, look at that. Oh, look at those seats with the Ferrari badge actually in the headrests. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, I hope you can. It's a bit similar to my car, to be fair. Similar colour at least. I never even knew Ferrari did a 5-door car. So, 4-door or 5-door, it's definitely 4-door minimum. Definitely a 4-door minimum, but having a rear boot 4 doors would suggest it's most likely a 5-door. And what we got here, another 911 Turbo, Porsche 911 Turbo S. That's almost identical to that one, whereas that one's slightly different. I think it's that one, but that's almost like twins, except for the badge is different, painted different. Right, what we got here? Looks like it's made out of total carbon fibre, this. What we got? GTR, Nissan Skyline. Yeah, straight away you see them lights and you know it's a Skyline. A bit different to the Skylines that I was around when I was younger. Well, probably a little bit more advanced now. The seats look a bit strange. What we got here? So it's the Nissan GTR, yes. Of course, the Nissan Skyline's been brought in by Nissan Skyline. Yeah, cracking car. So I think that's all the prestige cars I've seen so far. So I hope you liked having a look around them. It's supposed to be 0% chance of rain, but it's raining. Anyway, safe. See you later.